All right, even though they're going to be working upstairs, I'm going to go ahead and take a look inside. All right, let me see. Any lights here? Well, the lights are on, but check. Oh, nope. Oh, yeah, there we go. All right, so when we were walking in, you got this little area here. This could be a formal dining room. Looks like we're going to go ahead. There's going to be some hardwood floors here, but I'm going to have to check to see if whether or not they're salvageable. We're going to refinish these or just redo the whole thing. Definitely we're going to repaint. Got some cool crown moldings up on top. This door looks cool though. We got a glass door. May need to touch this up a little bit. All right. Let's see, cool fireplace. And again, hardwood floors throughout. Probably might refinish this, repaint. Definitely need to check this fireplace to see if it's still functional, but very cool, very sturdy. All right, let's check this out here. Okay. Got a kitchen. Yeah, we're definitely going to redo the floors on the kitchen, repaint. I don't see any appliances. Got a dishwasher here. We need to make sure we have room for a fridge. Probably it's going to be over here. Nook. Oh, wow. Goes down to the basement, so I don't want to check that out right now. Cool spot. All right, so I guess this place will be the indoor washer and dryer area. All right, so you got one of the bedrooms here. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. Again, hardwood floors throughout, goes right into the backyard. Detached garage out here. Let's see. Go down this hallway. Got the bathroom. Let's see if the lights go on. All right, as you can see, bathroom's not too bad. I mean, good bones. Probably refinish this a little bit, but I think this is good to go. But don't be surprised if we change the whole entire thing, modernize it, make it contemporary. There's another bedroom here. I don't know. I think the closet size is standard for this type of year home. I'm thinking about what we can do from a closet perspective, but nonetheless, decent sized room. We'll definitely repaint it, touch it up a little bit. But again, it's another project we picked up in the Willow Glen area. It's actually in walking distance to downtown Willow Glen. So if you're a young professional, young family starting out, newlyweds, investor, looking for a great location, this is definitely the spot. You've got Grapevine, you've got Bill's Cafe, you've got a Keys if you like those industrial swirls. Very cool nightlife. And it's actually pretty close to downtown San Jose too. So I like the location. I like the bones. This archways, as you can see here, very cool architecture. But nonetheless, again, over the next 4 to 6 weeks, we're going to be working on this project. If you guys are interested in knowing what the address is, go ahead and make sure you sign up for our waiting list or email list, private message me, and I'll make sure that you have all of the updates necessary. But again, we just picked up this property this week, started working on it. And if you guys are totally interested in seeing what this is all about, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you subscribe to all of our social media profiles to stay tuned for not just this project, but there's more to come in the pipeline. So any questions, feel free to reach out. Again, this is Perry Fernandez. We run a real estate investment team out here in the San Jose area. So if you have a project that you're looking to sell as is, feel free to give me a call. If you're looking to buy something of a finished product, make sure you let us know, get involved with the process. Or if you are one of these investors that may be unhappy with your current investment portfolio, we're always looking at potential ways of partnering with private capital partners. So make sure to reach out to me, private message me. I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Okay, peace.